In this video, we will discuss the Pascal's triangle problem and plan out an algorithm to solve it. Given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it, as shown here. To solve this problem, I am thinking we have two vectors. One will be the full result we return, and the other will be a sub-result that holds the numbers for the level we are currently processing. We'll start out by adding 1 to the sub-result vector. Then, for each of the middle cells in the triangle, we will calculate the sum of the two above it, and use that value for the result in the cell we are currently on. At the end of each row will be a cell with a value of 1. After we process a row, we will add sub-result to the result vector. At the end, we will return the result vector, which will be holding the solution that our algorithm created. In this video, we will discuss the sort array by parity question and plan out an algorithm we will use to solve it. The question poses the following. Given an integer array nums, move all the even integers at the beginning of the array, followed by all the odd integers. Return any array that satisfies this condition. The solution I'm thinking of is to sort the elements in place and keep track of where the evens currently stop with a variable. We will iterate over the array, and if we hit an even number, we will increment this pointer to the end of the evens. Else, if the number is odd, we will keep going through the list until we find an even number, and swap the even and odd numbers. When this algorithm finishes executing, we will return an array that has all of the even numbers on the left and all of the odd numbers on the right.